in our previous class, we spent time talking about how to successfully ensure that your CAC you created a successful CAC account. So here now we're going to be logging into the account we've created for our client. Don't forget that once we are done creating that account for our client, CAC sent us an email to verify that the account we created was successful. So let's go. They will back to their website pre.cac.gov.ng. So once you've done that, you select login. You are no more registering again because the client has actually been registered successfully. So click on login, and then when you log in, please always select phone number to avoid this their complication. But most times their email can work. You know, these things are server and someone is in charge of it. So I will submit, and then I'll be asked for my password. This should work. Good. So once you log into this place, this is now if you want to edit your client profile, you can see here, edit profile, change password, but we are not going into this place unless doing issues. Now let's quickly talk about here now. So for name reservation, you have four modules: not submitted, pending, denied, reserved. So not submitted means at the end of the day during the registration, you are not able to make payment because what validates your submission is payment. Now once you've made payment, your request it will be sent to pending or queried, so it will remain here until CAC does its verification. Now, after pending or query, your name will either be reserved or denied. So you can actually start your name reservation if here now shows reserved and then denied. So for query, there could be cases of misspelled name, your data is not tallying, there could be skipping or there could be some modifications to some of the things you did. The good thing is that CAC would let you know, okay, this is where you have query and this is how to sort it out, or this is how to go about the query you're having. Okay. So for denied, the name was totally denied. You have to reapply again. Remember, name reservation is just it's not you have not started the main registration. Is that once your name has been reserved, approved here now, one, then you can start. Here we show one, showing that your name has been reserved. Then after name reservation, this is when you now start doing your main CAC registration, filling up other required form, and then from there it will reflect here for registration, either submitted, pending, pending approval, for the name to be approved. Name reservation. Okay, once you reserve your name, I need to say this quickly, guys. If you reserve your name, it will take like 60 days. You have 60 days grace for you to register that particular name, or else you will now have to, they will flag up the name and open it for someone else. So pending approval is when there's a case of some documents are not well placed, maybe your picture is upside down. You will just when all these things happen, okay, pending approval is that CAC is still working on getting your CAC, getting your work, or flagging off your work. Now, queried is there is something that you did not do right during the place of filling your form. So you'll be sent a query and you can actually see the guide. I'll do a video on how to answer query in CAC. Then register this. Okay, this was successful. Once it's registered, if you click here, it will direct you to where you print your CAC receipt, sorry, CAC certificate and other what is it called? Other documents associated with CAC. So let's quickly run new name reservation. You can read these things later. Classification. So this is business name, specified type, sole proprietorship, business name proposal. The first name I have here is the Penel Computers. I hope some of this name is true. The second one I have is Penel's Computers. Okay. Hmm. Penel Computers, sorry, and system, whichever one they approve. So save and continue. Okay, we're following the next step, objective. So reason for this thing. So the reason is new incorporation or registration, not name substitution, not either of these things. Now, nature of business. So this nature of business, you can see what the things that are given here. So this my client is actually into information and technology because it has something to do with system. Nature of business. What am I going to give him? Computer programming, computer. Okay. Um, but I think his nature of business is no, I don't want this score, please. His nature of business is um oh god, what am I going to give him? What am I going to give him? Information and communication. The nature of business, I'm going to give him good. Nature of business, I'm going to give him Okay, related service. Additional remark. We are we are into system sales and you know repairs. So save and continue. I know this call will start, thank God. So you see it's the panels, computers and system. Okay. So let's do this. So here this you have to preview the registration details you submitted to CAC. Yeah, you have to give a preview of it. CAC needs to be able to know, okay, this is what you submitted to us. So this is more like a preview of the whole stuff. Then you can do save and continue. Now at this point, this is time to make payment. Okay, see how much you are paying with other CAC charges. So I'm going to pay via remitter. So here is connecting. Whichever one you want to pay with is available here. I just hope these guys don't call me. So I'm going to, okay, submit. See, you can see how much you are paying, and this is what you can actually charge clients as. Maybe you can charge 2,000 or whatever you want to charge. So I'm going to pay with my card. So because of my card payment, I'm going to take this off. But just know that at the end of the day, you should be able to read the SS. Or I can do USSD. Let me do USSD. Um, and let me choose UVA Bank for security purpose. That's why I'm doing USSD. So you can actually do for your. You can also pay with your. What you can also pay with your card. So whichever one you prefer. Sometimes I prefer paying with my card, but let me use USSD so that those of us just type this number after you've selected your bank: 1810 558 123052 #. Okay, I've been prompted to enter my UBA account. So I've been asked for my PIN. Okay, I've been picked my card PIN. I've been asked for the last four digits of my PIN. I'm telling you guys what they're asking me. Oh, I have it here. So this is my card. I have my card here. So referral ID, I'm skipping. Oh, the payment failed. Okay, could it be from my end? So okay, guys, this one failed. So let me quickly use my card to make the transfer. And at the end of the day, it's going to be successful. So thank you very much. Good. So I'm using my card for the payment. I've been sent an OTP code that I'm going to put in. So an OTP will be sent to you by your bank. 49235580492355. Beautiful. So my payment has been successfully done. So once you've successfully made your payment, TSC will also send you an email to confirm that your payment has been made. The email sent to you now this time around, we have your payment, what is it called? Receipt that this payment has been made. So after that, I will log out again and let me show you guys something. And then I will log in now to show you guys something. Oh God, who is calling me? Oh. So quickly, let me log in fast. Oh, this is phone number, sorry. Check I'm not a robot. Let me log in. Beautiful. Now, just hold on. After some minutes, this thing will change from not submitted to what is it called, to pending or queried. Then after the pending or queried, once they are done that, it will now be reserved. So you just have to give them like 24 48 hours working day. So I'm waiting for their email. I'm going to get a mail from them which automatically changes this. So once